Hey, all you YouTubers out there. Welcome back to the Land Shark Pickers channel. Just wanted to do a video that you probably don't see a lot of out there. This is around the subject of retail arbitrage. There's a lot of good videos on retail arbitrage. Some show the good side of retail arbitrage, and there's definitely a great side of retail arbitrage. You can make a lot of money doing it, and some people talk about it, but you don't. Excuse me, you don't see a lot of footage on some of the challenges of retail arbitrage, specifically talking about Walmart clearance, etc. I'm going to do a quick intro, and then I've got some footage from one of my most recent trips for retail arbitrage, specifically at a Walmart. I was hoping that would become a haul type video or a success story, or here's how you do retail arbitrage, and if you watch the whole video, you'll understand where I'm coming from and kind of what started this topic, or I got my ideas flowing about what to do for a video. So, like I said, there's a lot of money in retail arbitrage. Everybody is talking about using Brickseek, looking for inventory levels, going and finding products. Somebody like Scott the Bearded Picker that's afforded the ability to be able to go out and travel all over the United States finding products. Some people can't do it at that level. Scott, I praise you. I know it takes a lot of time. If I had the cash flow, I would be doing my best to do the same thing. But other people can't afford to do that. I'm not saying it's a bad situation or that Scott is a bad person. He's not. Scott's a great person. But just everybody's in a different situation in their reselling career, I guess. I've been researching a bunch of stuff on Brickseek. Found an item. It was within about a 50-mile drive. Said it had 16 of them, and so I decided to strike out and go. Go ahead and get in the truck, go see if I could pick those up. But a lot of people, if you're getting into RA and you're new to RA, don't think that just because you see it in Brickseek in inventory, or you see it in inventory on Walmart.com, or you're not guaranteed anything until you put your hands on the inventory in the store. And like Shane Rising Iron Picker, Scott the Bearded Picker have talked about in their videos, sometimes you get in the store and either it's in the back, it's been stolen, managers just can't find it. I have not been in a Walmart yet where I've had a problem with any of the Walmart employees. They've all been more than helpful. They're going to look as much as they can. Could be a case where something just hasn't come off the truck yet. They had an extra case that just never made it off the truck or something. But I just don't want everybody to get in their mind that retail arbitrage is a 100% guarantee, and I think that can be frustrating at times. Just like looking through Walmart clearance. You see so many people doing really well at Walmart clearance, even not using Brickseek, just walking up on items. You got to put in the work, just like anything reselling. You got to put in the work. You got to put in the time. You can't get frustrated. You can't get down when you walk through the 3 aisles of clearance at your Walmart store and you find nothing. It's going to happen. It's part of the game. I hate to call it a game, but it's a grind. It's a way of life. You just got to pick your shoes up, kick yourself, move on. If you watch this clip, it's going to give you a welcome and all that. But I was recording it as it was going to be a full video on my retail arbitrage experience, finding profitable items, things like that. But that's not always the case. And I guess my words of wisdom here are: don't let that get you down. Pick your feet up, keep on going, move on to the next product. Because this is the farthest I've driven and had a situation where I haven't been able to get an item. Was I unhappy? Was I upset? No. Was I unhappy? Yeah, I was looking forward to making some money. But, the reality is you're going to have these situations, Does it happen every time? Hopefully not. Could it happen every time? Yes. It's a risk you take, Is it a Walmart employee putting something back till they can buy it? Possibly. Like I said earlier, the item's been stolen? Possibly. I ran into that with the calculators everybody was chasing. All the people in Walmart told me, these are an item that gets stolen a lot. But don't put it on Brickseek. Brickseek is reporting the correct information they're getting from Walmart. The issue is, some of the inventory controls at Walmart's. I think that's the breakdown. You get into these Walmarts and you say, hey, I'm looking for this item. Can you help me? And they'll pull it up and say, hey, I'm showing that I've got 25 of them, but yet nobody can put their hands on them. I mean, it is what it is. You just can't focus on it. Don't take it personal. Ask them to help. If they're helpful, thank them for their help and move on. Go to the next product. Hopefully you have better luck on the next one. I haven't been doing retail arbitrage too long, maybe about 6 months, but these things happen. I've had this situation 4 or 5 times. Do I dwell on it? No. Should you dwell on it? No. Pick up, move on. But go and watch these clips. Hopefully they'll be helpful. But I appreciate y'all checking in, and everybody have a good day. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Land Chart Pickers channel. Just wanted to do a video about some retail arbitrage headed to a Walmart. We used Brickseek to find an item that is profitable and that's currently on clearance. I think it's either at 80 something or 90% off on clearance. We'll try and get some video. The store I'm headed to is about 45 miles away. It's supposed to have 16 of this item. Nowhere else close to the house heading in stock. We're going to give this a shot. Hopefully I can get some footage when I get in the store, but we'll let you know in just a little bit. Thanks. So we're getting a little closer, still about 15 minutes out. Getting a little nervous. You never know about these kind of things. Chasing these items and ended up never know when you're going to end up getting there, even though they say they have 16 and they say they have none, or they've been stolen, or they say they don't have them. It's part of the game you play. We're trying to do retail arbitrage, especially in remote locations. Hopefully I'll be lucky. About a 50-mile drive for me. Not a bad drive, straight interstate. Good thing is there's a couple of Walmarts, there's a couple of Walgreens. I think there's a couple of thrift stores. I probably don't need to stop at the thrift store. I probably may hit the Walgreens, another Walmart while I'm out this way. But we'll see. Hopefully I can get some video when we get there. Wish me luck. Alright, we're 1 mile out. Wish me luck. Almost there. Alright, don't know how much y'all can see. I think the Walmart's right over to the right, but got a CVS, which I'll probably hit while I'm right here close. Y'all might recognize that. It's Walgreens. That's probably where Scott the Bearded Picker first started his RA, where I'm not far from where he was. So I got a couple of things I can hit right here close. There's CVS over there. Looks like a good little area. Hopefully we can hit all these and check things out. Be back with you in a minute. Alright, here we are, about to pull up. This is not a full Walmart. I don't know if this one will get looked over by other people, but this is a neighborhood market Walmart. Might be a good place to check for items. Maybe not full clearance, but this specific item would fit well in this type of store. So let's find a parking spot and see what we can find. See if it's in here. 16 of them, free money.
Alright, well, I guess I made a mistake. I told Siri to take me to the Walmart in this city, and it took me to the Walmart market. So it's actually at the Super Center, so we're going to ride down there and see. It's a couple of miles down the road. Wish me luck. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, well, it was a case of nothing in stock. Couldn't find it. It's amazing, but it happens. Just suck it up, move on to the next one. Peace out.